This is part 3 on how to make a paper and sniper rifle. And then I taped it on already. Okay. Damn it. Okay, you have this, alright? I'll be making the stander now, the thing that holds it up like this. Like you go ahead, it stands up like this. Then there'll be stander. Okay? Okay, now. I'll only be these two. Okay? Oh, I need more. Oh yeah. I made 2 already. Okay, you guys make 2 more, see, 2 more loops. Doesn't matter if they're not the same. You guys just wanna connect them like this. Make sure they have like a little thing there. Okay? Then you'll make, yeah, like you need like thing. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna tape them together now. I'll make some time for you. So you guys can make it like make those loops there. I'll be taping them together. And when you guys can just pause it. Pause the video. So yeah, I made one like this already, the stander. Pretty cool. Then that little other loop that is small, it could go right here somewhere. Now I'll be like this. It'll look like an A, but then it isn't going to be. Okay, I'm gonna be making another loop now. Okay, this is how it looks. People think you just put it like there, like that, but you don't. It'll go. Now I'll be making the stock later. Okay, I'm gonna make the other loop so it could just connect to this little loop right here. Okay, now you wanna make it this way, that way. Put this bit in there. Yeah. Yeah, it has to go on the bottom piece, okay? Can't go on the thing, so you gotta make it small. Well, I have to make it small for me. Okay, this is part 3 on how to make the stock and the stander. First, we'll be making the stander, and then the stock. Part 4. I do not know why I just did that. Some of you guys might just say you guys don't like kiddie shows, but you actually do. Now, okay, this is it. Okay, I'm gonna tape that onto the stander here. Okay, I'm gonna go get the door, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.